गुरुर्देव महेश्वर गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। अज्ञानतिमिरान्धास्यो ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मृतं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं नन्दातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्मस्वदिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वदिशाक्षिभूतं भवातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। ॐ नमः शिवाय गुरवे सच्चिदानन्दमूर्तये। ॐ नमः शिवाय गुरवे सच्चिदानन्दमूर्तये। ॐ नमः शिवाय गुरवे सच्चिदानन्दमूर्तये। गणानां गणपति गणेश लंबोदर सोये भुजाचार एकदंत चंद्रमा ललाटराजे ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश कालदय दुरुपद गावै अति विचित्र गणानाथ आज मृदंग बजावै धट धराध धर धर प्रधान दिन 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 नागे 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 धन धन तिन तिन ताके नाना तद्रिगण धृग धृग दिनागे ता कृतक धरान तरान धा कृतक धरान तरान धा कृतक धरान तरान। 28th April, Monday, an excellent late evening. Gautam Komal Gandhar's presence through Meta Facebook Live in the course of Riyaj on Tabla like previous days. So dear friends, be musically happy, healthy and spiritually blessed. Before I start my Tabla Riyaj on date, I offer my floral tributes to the lotus feet of Lord Spiritual Guru Maharaj Ji and all the goddess, and I dedicate my Tabla Riyaj in the memory of all the Tabla maestros in the past and great maestro wizard musicians of our country, other vocalist, instrumentalist, tabla players. So, dear friends, right from childhood I followed their performances. Great tabla players from all the gharanas, Delhi gharanas and Punjab gharanas. These are two very old gharanas of tabla, and thereafter Ajrara gharana, Farrukhabad gharana, Delhi, Lucknow Gharana, Banaras Gharana, Bihar, Patna, Darbhanga Gharana, West Bengal, Vishnupur Gharana, and City of Joy, Kolkata Gharanas too. Before I brief regarding Kolkata Gharana, as I am residing in Kolkata, but right from the childhood to middle of my service life, I was in Bihar and UP. And I recall all the great tabla maestros, including all the classical vocalists, instrumentalists. They all performed in the Patna during Durga Puja to Deepavali Kali Puja. There were several functions, concerts of classical music held, and all alternate 2.5 kilometers. That is called in Hindi, if I say Chauraha, all barricading the roads and constructed temporary 4 days stage during Durga Puja. Right from childhood, I recall right from the year 1962 to 1990, great musicians, they participated. And right from the college life, I started organizing all the classical music concerts. I remember during my life, my great concert in the year 1982, Pandit Ravi Shankar ji and Ustad Allah Rakha, and thereafter the same next year, consequently next year, 1983, on 5th February, I was privileged and I was lucky, with the help of my few other members of our society, we could have organized Ustad Ali Akbar Khan, Sarod Maestro, and Pandit Shankar Ghosh ji, the great tabla player. So I would like to share about Kolkata Gharana of tabla. This is the well gift of Ustad Masjid Khan, who was doyen of Farrukhabad Gharana tabla, and his great disciple, versatile musician, Pandit Gyan Prakash Ghosh. He took talim from Ustad Masjid Khan, and the tabla itself is become so popularized in the Kolkata. Pandit Gyan Prakash Ghosh's great tabla maestros, disciple maestros, Pandit Shankar Ghosh, Pandit Shamul Ghosh, Pandit Kanai Datta, Pandit Manik Mukherjee, Manik Pal, Bimalandu Bhattacharya, so many tabla players. So I recall them. At present, Pandit Gyan Prakash Ghosh's two disciples, which I recall their tabla, I used to witness their program, I used to listen to their program, Anindya Chatterjee and Sanjay Mukherjee. They are also Pandit. As we call the Pandit and Ustad, these recognitions is given by All India Radio. In the Hindu boys, they are getting recognition from All India Radio if they qualify as top graded. So they become Pandit title. The title of Pandit is added. And Ustad, if the Muslim candidates, they qualify and they secure top class from All India Radio, so they became Ustad. So in this way, and this became when I was in the year, I recall, I met Pandit Acharya Brihaspati ji. He was chief judge and member of the audition board in Delhi. And I, along with Pandit Kishan Maharaj ji, and Pandit Kishan Maharaj, he was also jury member of that audition board. They briefed me why this Pandit and Ustad. So I recall. But in the past, during my tabla riyaz, I narrated, I briefed regarding all the maestros tabla. Pandit Shankar Ghosh, I exclusively named Pandit Shankar Ghosh. He was so talented and so genius tabla player of Bengal. He proved that how to play tabla as solo tabla player. And he was a great tabla accompanist, including tabla soloist. So, and I recall during my visit to Banaras, right from Patna to Banaras, and residing Banaras, I always recall that Kabir Chaura of Banaras, Pandit Shamta Prasad, Las Gudai Maharaj, Pandit Kishan Maharaj, their house in Kabir Chaura, I used to visit their houses. And I also recall during my childhood Pandit Anokhelal Misra ji, great tabla maestro, Pandit Lachu Maharaj, Pandit Sharda Sahai, all the great tabla maestros of Banaras Gharana, including all vocalists, instrumentalists, and I also recall Ustad Allah Rakha and his great genius son, Ustad Zakir Hussain. He gave tabla as a new dimension of tabla. Genius tabla player, but very early, just 2.5 years back, he died at the age of 73 to 74. So dear friends, I dedicate my tabla riyaj on date in the memory of all the tabla maestros and great musicians of our country. long distance, I can't see the names who those are watching, listening my tabla. So dear friends, best of luck to all of you. Take care of yourself. I would be happy to see your exclusive comments, and I would be encouraged if you kindly put your valuable comments over here. Thank you, dear friends. So be happy, be musically tuned, and be spiritually blessed. This is a very good exercise of both the hands and all the 10 fingers. I recall all tabla maestros. Oh, they played tabla without mic, and how their tonal quality. Nowadays, all the musicians, they first check their premium mic, but in those days, the microphone system was not updated. But how their tonal quality, either singing of any classical rag sangeet, thumri, dadra, kajri, chaiti, or any instrumentalist, they at that time, I just recall all the memories 50, 40 years back. Now it is right from, I think, after 1990, all the microphone system has been updated, and nowadays all the maestro musicians these days, they first check their mic. So I do not know, but I do not get any. I am not interested to perform on the stage. I do not take profession. This is my hobby and passion. In the course of rendering central government services, but I do practice whenever I get time. Now after retirement, I have enough time. I just love to riyaz, practice, and always recalling all great tabla maestros in the past. And at present, I very much am fan of Pandit Shapun Chaudhary. What a beautiful tabla player. But I recall all the maestro tabla players, Pandit Shamul Bose, Pandit Kanai Datta, Pandit Shankar Ghosh. He was genius tabla player. We can say that he was industry of tabla. He was manufacturer of tabla. He produced nowadays all young generation, and few at my age group, they are playing well, and few are coming up. So I always request them, whatever you play tabla, you must play very distinctly. Pandit Shanta Prasad ji always telling me, I had good association, and I travelled with Pandit Shankar Ghosh, Pandit Shanta Prasad ji, and Pandit Kishan Maharaj ji throughout the country, right from the childhood. As because they were very good friends to my father, my parents, they were coming to our home house while we were residing in Bihar, UP. And I recall Ustad Bismillah Khan. He was my family friend right from the Dumraon, Banaras. So these are the stories. And Ustad Ali Akbar Khan, whenever he came to Patna, he visited our house. I recall Vishnu Govind Jog Sahab, Viji Jog ji, Shishir Konadhar Chaudhary, all the great violinists. I recall Pandit Sham Ganguly, Hirendra Kumar Ganguly. Just few days back, I met his son Taposh Kumar Ganguly. Krishna Kumar Ganguly, his disciple Shamur Shah, Pandit Shamur Shah. But I must say, I recall during my childhood, I heard Pandit Vishwanath Bose tabla. He was disciple of Pandit Kishan Maharaj ji of Banaras Gharana, Pandit Kante Maharaj too. And similarly, one great tabla player of Bihar, Pandit Kapil Dev Singh ji. Pandit Kapil Dev Singh was versatile tabla player and very learned tabla player. He took talim from Pandit Kante Maharaj and Pandit Kishan Maharaj ji too. So I recall all the great tabla masters. friends, I can't see you a very long distance, so please give your valuable comments over here that after over my riyaz, I would be happy to see your valuable comments over here. Thank you. This Rela Pandit Shankar Ghoshji, flawlessly he played and I learned from him. Dhati ka dheteta dhati ka dheteta dhati genna tati ka dheteta dhati ka dheteta dhati genna. Pandit Shankar Ghoshji, he was telling these bowls are very much useful and essential for flexible of all the 10 fingers. This is exclusively very important. Dhete dhati gene, dhete dhati gene, dhati gene, dhete dhati gene, dhete dhati gene, dhati gene. This is very important qaida of Banaras Gharana. Dik dhina tirgid dhina dhagidna dik tinara tik tina tirgid dhina dhagidna dik tinara. But this qaida which I heard from Pandit Shanta Prasad, Las Guday Maharaj ji, and many other tabla players of Banaras Gharana, they also play. In other gharanas, either Delhi Gharana, Lucknow Gharana, Farrukhabad, Ajrara, or any other gharana, but I see they are flawlessly playing, but dhik dhina tikidina dhagina dhik tinara, this dhagina dhik tinara in the very speed, it is very difficult to play dhik dhina tikidina dhagina dhik tinara. So they add dhik dhina tikidina nadiga dina nagena tik tina tikidina nadiga dina nagena. This is, it becomes so, now it becomes speedy without any just playing. This Rela is very important, but few tabla players which I saw Pandit Sapan Chaudhary ji, Pandit Kumar Bose ji, they are flawlessly playing Dik Dina Tikit Dina Dhagina Dik Tinara, but other tabla players it is very difficult to play. So I also can play this Dik Dina Tikit Dina Dhagina Dik Tinara in this speed, but it can be added that Nadigadi Nanagena. This is another Rela which flawlessly it was playing by Pandit Shankar Ghosh. I heard from him this Nadigadi Nanagena. Dik Dina Tikit Dina. Pandit Shankar Ghosh ji, he was playing this Nadi Gadi Nana Gena Gena Dhati Dhada Tumma Nati Gati Nana Gena Gena Dhati Dhada Dinna. And that from here that Laghi can start, Laghi begin from this Rela. Many other tabla players and Pandit Sapan Chaudhary ji, yes, he is playing flawlessly. which really unforgettable memories of great tabla maestros in the past which I had. I didn't learn anything, but I always try to follow their tabla playing. Oh ho ho ho. So again I offer my core of my heart love, regards and pranam to their feet. This is beautiful. This is original Dhada Tete Dhada Tunna or Dhatete Dhatete Dhada Tete Dhage Tunna Gena. My grandson, he is learning this Dhada Tete Dhada Tunna Tata Tete Dhada Dinna. I also learned till my last day of my life. This Dhada Tete Dhada Tunna Tata Tete Dhada Dinna Dhada Terikete Dhada Tunna Tata Terikete Dhada Dinna. These are very important. Terikete Tak Tak Terikete Tak 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 Terikete Tak Tak Terikete. These are very important tabla bowls. Right from the preliminary stage to last breath of life. Gege Tete Gege Nana Keke Tete Gege Nana. So Dhada Tete. And then Dhatete Dhatete Dhadhatete Dhage Tunna Kenna Tatete Dhatete Dhadhatete Dhage Dinna Genna. This is original bowl. reverse thete, if I use this ulta thete, reverse thete, Pandit Shankar Ghosh ji, he added Dhatete dhatete dhadhatete dhagetunna ghenana nanatete dhete dhatete dhagetunna genna tatete dhatete dhadhatete dhagetinna ghenana nanatete dhete dhatete dhagetinna. So it becomes so melodious. Little bit more fast. So reverse thete, ulta thete. at last I recall Pandit Shanta Prasad Ji's that great tabla playing and also that very popular dhage dhina gena take dhina gena dhage thuna gena take dhina gena dhati gena gena dhati gena gena dhati gena dhati gena gena dhati gena gena dhati gena. And in course of playing this dhage dhina gena dhage thuna gena dhage tina gena take dhina gena, and he used to play na 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 dhage thuna gena take dhina gena tak 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 dhage thuna gena take dhina gena tirkit 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 ka this application of tirkit and application of dhirkit. So I always recall Pandit Shanta Prasad alias Gudai Maharaj Ji of Maestro Tabla player, Vijay Tabla player of Banaras Gharana. One phone call came. Now I end my tabla riyaj. Tomorrow again, see you, dear friends. Now this is more than 9:35, 9:40. So take care of yourself. Be happy, be healthy. I enchant Shanti Mantra, then Jai Dhwani. Om Purnamada Purnamida Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavishishate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. जय श्री श्री गुरु महाराज जी की जय. जय परम गुरु महाराज जी की जय. जय श्री श्री ठाकुर महास्वामी जी महाराज जी की जय. जय महामाई की जय. जय माँ गंगा माई की जय. जय भागवत भक्त भगवान की जय. जय आज का आनंद की जय. Prayers go up, blessings come down.